Today we are learning about list and double list or 2D list or two-dimensional, whatever, like that. Okay? So, let's start. So we're going to be doing a simple list. So I'm going to just put those numbers, or let's add numbers actually. And 9, and let's put not the dot, this 4. And make sure you put the square brackets or it's not gonna work. And now let's put print this and nums. Let's run it. And it gave us the whole list. Now what if you wanted one number, one singular number? Let me show you how to do that. And add 1. Let's put 1 for this, and now let's print it. So it gave us 3 because, let me teach you why it gave us 3. Because this is, for an index, these are indexes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are all the indexes. And it always starts at 0, just saying. And let's put 1 more. Okay, now let's think. Let's put 2 as an index this time. And it's loading. Okay, it's taking a while. Okay, there we go. It gave us 6 because 0, 1, 2 and 2 is the index for that. And now we are doing our double numbers, or double nums. Okay, so I'm going to name it double nums equals, and then this, let's put this 1, 6, 4. Where's 4? Oh, there we go. And I'm just gonna put what I like, and I forgot about this. Okay, but let's just put the comma there. Put 9, this, that, and just do whatever we'd like. And then we want this thing. And wait, I forgot there's a little this. I don't know what that was doing there. I think I accidentally put that there, but let's do this. Okay, that's good. And I'm gonna just print it. Print it like that. And we need this, double nums. And then, okay, now you want to just run it. Okay, now it gives us the whole thing. So, and the first thing is here, or the first list is there. The second list is here. And the third list is there. So I'm just going to delete it for more space. And what if you wanted one number, like the other one? Okay, let's make another one. Let's make another one instead. Let's print this thing. Double. That's how you spell double. Numbers, or nums, actually. And we put the little this thing, or square bracket. I almost forgot the name, but let's put the 0. I'm gonna put, and make sure you put the other one, because they also have, this also has the indexes. Index 1, or 0, index 1, index 2. And inside of it also has indexes. So it's like rows and columns. And this is, I'm gonna put index 3. Let's run it. Okay, now give us 7, because 0, 1, 2, 3. And now let's put print double. Let's put nums. Where do we put this? Let's put 1 for this. Because on line 1 or something like that. Or yeah, line 1 right there. Or not line 1, but index 1 for the lines, or for the list, not the lines, the list. And let's put 3 as well. Let's print it. 5. Okay, we got 5. And let's do one last one. Double nums. Put this, and let's put 2. Okay, there we go. And now 3. Let's print it again. Okay, so it gives us another 5 because 0, 1, 2, 3, or 0, 1, 2, 3, right. Okay, there. And they both are on the same line. I didn't even realize that, but it's okay. But I hope this helped all of you guys. I hope this helped all of you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.